Good morning, students. Today we will start our new chapter, chapter 13, surface areas and volume. Surface areas and volume. Surface का area और उसका volume. Solid figure का surface area और उसका volume. Okay. Now, till now, what we have studied? Till now we are dealing with the figures like this. है ना? What is this? This is a rectangle, square, triangle, circle. These are the figures which we can easily draw in our notebook or in the blackboard. Okay? So these figures are the solid figures, and the figures like this. So what is this? This is a solid figure. ये क्या है? Plane figure. Plane figure में सिर्फ क्या है? Only two dimensions are there. Length and breadth are there. Okay? No thickness is there. And what about this? In this, we are having the length, breadth as well as the height. अपने पास length भी है, breadth भी है और height है. अब इसका ये surface देखो. What is this? This is a rectangle. So how many rectangles are there in this figure? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is made up of, this solid figure is made up of 6 rectangular plane regions. Okay. Now, what I told you, we can draw these plane figures in the notebook or in the blackboard, and we can also draw the solid figures in the blackboard, है ना? So what is this? This is a cuboid. This is a cuboid. अब हम इसको भी draw करते हैं, but what is the difference? This is a 2-dimensional figure and this is a 3-dimensional figure. It is having only length and breadth, and it is having length, breadth and height. Now, so we are going to read about the solid figures. So what are the solid figures? They are the cuboid, cube, cylinder, sphere, etc. Now the first solid figure about which we are reading is the cuboid. Now this is a cuboid. So what is a cuboid? Cuboid is a solid bonded by 6 rectangular plane regions. Now this is our cuboid, है ना? Everyone knows this. A matchbox, sweet box, your book, all these are the cuboid, examples of the cuboid. And how many in this cuboid, how many plane regions are there? So this is a rectangle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many rectangular regions? 6 rectangular regions. Hence the definition, solid bonded by 6 rectangular plane regions. Now, what are the different terms? Now we will read some terms related with this cuboid. So first is the face. In a cuboid we are having the faces. So what is the face? So the rectangular plane region which are there in the rectangle, rectangular plane regions which are there in the cuboid, they are said to be the faces. Face, ठीक है? Now इसमें कितने face होंगे? कितने region है rectangular? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay? So how many faces are there? ये कितने face हुए? First face, second face, third face, fourth face, fifth face and sixth face. So how many faces are there? In a cuboid we are having 6 faces, and these all faces are rectangular in shape. Now the next thing is the vertex. Next thing is the edge. What is edge? Any two lateral faces meet in a line segment. Now look here. This region, this face and this face, they are meeting in this line. So this line is said to be the, क्या बोलेंगे इसको? Edge. So how many edges are there? 1, 2. At the back also 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 here, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many edges are there? 12 edges are there. Okay. Now vertex, faces हो गया, समझ में आ गया। ये पूरा प्लेन जो रीजन है वो क्या कहलाएगा? फेस कहलाएगा। एज क्या हुआ? ये जो लाइन होती है ये सारी लाइंस क्या कहलाएंगी? एज कहलाएंगी। एंड व्हाट आर द वर्टेक्स? वर्टेक्स, any two edges that meet at an end point, there is a third edge that also meet them at that end point. ये सारे जहां पे मीट कर रहे हैं, ये सारे एजेस जहां मीट करते हैं, ये 1 2 3, ये क्या कहलाएगा? वर्टेक्स। तो हाउ मेनी वर्टेक्स आर देयर? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8। So 8 edges are there. Okay. Now base, अब इसका बेस हम कुछ भी ले सकते हैं। बेस मतलब जो नीचे वाला पोर्शन, ठीक है। So any portion we can take as the, any face of the cuboid may be called as its base, and in that case the four faces that meet with the base, they are said to be the lateral face. जैसे इसमें इसको मैंने नीचे वाला क्या हुआ? ये हुआ आपका बेस, इसके ऊपर पूरा बना हुआ ये क्यूबाइड, ये हो गया बेस। तो ये जो चारों किनारे हो गए, चारों फेस हो गए, इसको हम बोलेंगे लेटरल फेस। क्लियर है? और लेटरल सरफेस। नाउ सपोज अ रूम इज देयर, ठीक है। तो व्हाट इज द शेप ऑफ रूम? रूम इज अ क्यूबाइड, ठीक है। इट इज हैविंग लेंथ, ब्रेथ एंड हाइट, एंड the floor and the edges, the floor, if we take the floor as the base, floor is taken as the base, उसको आप बेस ले रहे हो, तो चारों दीवारें ही बस क्या कहलाएंगी? They are said to be the lateral face. अब जब हम उनका एरिया निकालेंगे तो उन सरफेस को हम क्या बोलेंगे? lateral surface. And when we are calculating the area, then we will call lateral surface area. Clear है? So what is lateral face? What is base? Everything is now clear. So what is a cuboid? A cuboid is a solid formed by 6 rectangular plane regions, and we are aware what are the faces, edges and vertex of this cuboid. ठीक है? And the next solid figure which we are going to deal is the, what is this? It is the cube. So if in this box L, B and H all are equal, then it becomes a, क्या हो जाएगा? It becomes a cube. So what is a cube? Cube is a cuboid whose length, breadth and height are equal. Whose length, height and breadth are equal, then it is said to be a cube. So this is a cuboid. Okay. Now if I have to cover this box with a packing paper, ठीक है। अभी ये आधे में पैक्ड है ना, अगर मेरे को पूरे को पैक करना है, ठीक है। व्हाट आई नीड? आई विल नीड द टोटल, कितना पेपर लेना पड़ेगा, हाउ टू फाइंड कि हाउ मच पेपर इज रिक्वायर्ड, what will be the area of that paper. For that we will find the total surface area of this cuboid, ठीक है। what we will calculate? टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ दिस क्यूबाइड। अगर इसको सब तरफ से पेंट करना है तो भी हमको क्या निकालना पड़ेगा? टोटल सरफेस एरिया। क्लियर? नाउ हाउ टू फाइंड द टोटल सरफेस एरिया? टू कैलकुलेट द टोटल सरफेस एरिया वी हैव टू, नाउ लेट दिस बी द लेंथ, ये क्या है? इसकी लेंथ है, ये क्या है? इसकी ब्रेथ है, एंड दिस विल बी द हाइट। Let the edges of this cuboids are L, B and H. तो इसमें क्या हो गया? ये क्या हो गया आपके पास? L, what is this? B and this is H. Clear? This is L, H and this is B. Clear? Now we have to find the total surface area. To find the total surface area of this cuboid, we have to calculate the surface area of each सरफेस। अब ऊपर वाले में देखिए, दिस, इसकी क्या होगी? इसका एरिया क्या होगा? व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल? इसको क्या बताया मैंने? ये है अपने पास, ये L है, and this is B, and this is H. So what is the area of this? And this is H. What is the area of this? This first surface, L into B. Clear? अब पीछे वाले का भी क्या होगा? L into B. Clear? Now what about this? What will be the area of this? तो अपने पास क्या आया? L into B. दो जगह है, so 2 into L into B. Now what will be the area of this surface? The area of this surface, what is this? B. And what is this? H. So B into H. और इसके पीछे वाला भी जो फेस है उसमें क्या होगा? BH. So plus 2BH plus. Now this, so this will be H into L. तो कितना हो जाएगा? 2LH. क्यों? क्योंकि पीछे भी फेस है. So what is the total surface area of the cuboid? It will be 2LB, 2 in bracket LB plus BH plus HL. So what is the total surface area of the cuboid? Total surface area of the cuboid is 2LB plus BH plus HL. Okay. Now what will be the lateral surface area? What will be the lateral surface area of this cuboid? Lateral surface area of the cuboid. What I told you, अगर अपन इसके टॉप और बॉटम दोनों को छोड़ देते हैं, ठीक है, अगर टॉप और बॉटम दोनों को छोड़ देते हैं, बेस को छोड़ देते हैं और ऊपर को छोड़ देते हैं, तो बाकी सिर्फ किनारे का जो चार हिस्सा मिल रहा है, चार फेस मिल रहे हैं, दे मेक्स द लेटरल सरफेस. तो अब ऊपर को छोड़ दिया, ऊपर कितना था? BH. नीचे भी कितना था? BH. बचा कितना? 2 into HB plus HL. Now take out H common. So what it will become? 2HL plus B. ठीक है. So what is the lateral surface area of the cuboid? It is 2HL plus B. अब इसको हम इस तरीके से भी लिख सकते हैं, H into 2L plus B. Now what is this L plus B? अगर मैं इस सरफेस का मैं अगर पेरीमीटर निकालूं तो क्या आएगा? पेरीमीटर आई टोल्ड यू ना, सम ऑफ ऑल द साइड्स. So what is this perimeter of rectangle? Perimeter of the rectangle or the perimeter of the base is 2L plus B. तो ये क्या लिख सकते हैं अपन? H into P. According to the formula, according to the problem we have to use. So what is the total surface area of the cuboid? It is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. And what is the lateral surface area of the cuboid? It is 2HL plus B. And when we are writing this in terms of the perimeter, अगर हमको perimeter of the base given है, so which formula we will use? Lateral surface area is H into P. Now cube. So what will be the total surface area of the cube? अब अपन ने क्यूब में क्या पढ़ा? L, B और H सब सेम होता है, तो क्या हो जाएगा? 2. अगर मैं L, B और H सबको अपन A ले लेते हैं तो क्या हो जाएगा? 2 into A square plus A square plus A square. So this will be 6A square. Clear? If A is the edge of the cube, then what is the total surface area of the cube? Total surface area of the cube is 6A square. And the lateral surface area will be 2 into A plus A. कितना हुआ? 2A into 2A, that will be 4A square. So in short, what is the total surface area of cube? It is 6A square. What is the lateral surface area of the cube? 4A square. So we are having the formula to calculate the total surface area and lateral surface area of the cube and cuboid.